Hello from Bugeyeguys. Today, just want to give you a quick tour of this car. This is the 7,600th classic car in Connecticut. Now I think they've exceeded 100,000. So this car has been out running around in Connecticut for many, many years. The client brought the car here. It had been sitting for a long time. It needed to be revived. And I thought I would share with you a little bit about what we've been up to. It's such a nice project. It's a bit of a rough car in terms of the cosmetics, but at the same time, it's also perfect, just perfect. A weathered Bugeye that's been in nice shape and kind of preserved quite nicely and will live for many more generations with this owner and his heirs and on and on. So it's nice to be able to be involved in helping to preserve this car and get it back on the road. So it needed a number of structural repairs underneath, which we've just completed. And our goal was not to make this get out of hand and cut out all of the floor pans. So we patched this area. Now, chronically, under this stringer that gives longitudinal support, you will get rust through underneath this on many of these cars. Interestingly enough, you often see it on the right side of the car because, again, all the dirt and salt and debris collects on the right side of the road. You tend to get more wear on this passenger side, and under this section is common, and this car was no exception. There was a bad patch under there, so we cut it out, welded in some sheet metal underneath here longitudinally to patch that. It ends right about here, and so that's nice for the structural integrity of the car. And then over here, we've also done some patching in the footwells, which is common. And I wanted you to also see how the new carpet kit is getting laid in. This is the first piece to put in. This is the cross member cover. It gets glued down. And then the second piece is this triangular piece that covers from this butt joint forward. And then the panel inside the footwell goes over that. And then the center panel gets screwed into that. So the car is getting a new carpet kit and a new panel kit, which is really nice to spruce up and refresh the interior. And then over here, we have the trim bar, which would have originally, by the factory standards, been covered in vinyl, either in red or black, but we chose black for this particular black carpet and black seats. The new seats are also in progress. And then we also have new door weather stripping, which you can see here. And you leave these ends long and they get secured. Might be able to see it better on this side. They get secured under the panels in that corner, right in the center of your screen. So you don't cut those too short because they will fray. And then they also terminate here up under the dashboard. So we do sell these door seal kits. And of course, this is our carpet kit, which after doing so many Bugeyes, we've made a carpet kit that fits Bugeyes, has the right cutouts, and then new check straps as well, which you see right here, and also premium door pockets, which have this nice bend, which matches the original, and then the ribbed rubber lining for the doors. So all of these details really spruce up this cockpit. The next step will be to glue the carpet on the rear humps in the back there, and then we'll mount the seats. So all of that comes together to bring this unique Bugeye. The owner built this wood dash himself, I think in high school wood shop. So we'll be preserving that for him by his request. And that's all part of the unique history of this wonderful Bugeye coming back to life here at Bugeyeguys. And just one quick PS. These carpet kits are available in our catalog, as are the check straps, the door plugs, the correct screws for the dash bars, the screw kit for the panel kit, the three-point seat belts that you may want to add, the metal stringers that support the structure, all the correct dashboard ingredients, even though this one has a non-stock wooden cover. We have everything in our parts catalog, as well as the door linings and door pockets, all at BugeyeGuyParts.com.